Right. Hello, everyone. Evening. Okay. If you're joining us right now and you can hear me, type ready over here. Uncle Fu, hi. All right. Thank you very much for joining me once again. Anyone else? Drop a note. Say hi if you can hear me right now. Hi, Christine. Welcome back again for another week together with me. Hi, Josephine. Okay, just as usual over here, we'll wait for a couple of minutes for people to connect and get on board, and we'll start the session officially right after that. Okay, now, so thank you very much, Terence. As usual, we have a Facebook user right here. So if look at the scroll board at the bottom, if you are joining us for the very first time, you would see a clickable link in the post called streamyard.com/Facebook. And then could you just click through the link, and after that, approve Facebook for StreamYard. And right after that, we should be able to see who's leaving comments for us. Okay. All right. So we have two of you over here who are joining us. All right, it'll be great for me to be able to address you by your name itself, all right, and joining us in the session, okay? All right, we'll just give it a couple more minutes and we'll get going. Okay, Shanine, seems like it's you, actually. All right, Shanine. Yeah, all right, I think it's you who is appearing as a Facebook user, apparently. Another one. All right. Hi, Shambu, hi. Right, hi, Siddhi Chai, hi, Waiman. Okay, hi, Alun. Okay, all right. Hockley, I think you have not approved yourself yet as well by clicking on the streamyard.com/Facebook. Could you quickly get on it and just approve it so we can see you leaving comments during the live session, all right? Thank you very much. Okay, now, so let me get the session officially started together with all of you. Welcome back again for episode 15. So today I will have a stock prepared to put a new trade on, as well as take one portfolio management action on the entire portfolio. So I think we should get going over here. Now, so market has remained strong, okay, but it remains with a lot of volatility. So just want to put an update. On a big perspective, I do not expect the markets to collapse or to have any big major collapsing sell-off. Why? Because we are getting closer and closer to elections, and I'm very much assuming on a political stand front, no incumbent party will want to see the market crash right before the voting happens. Okay, it's probably going to lead to their downfall if it ever occurs. Okay, so they're going to do whatever they can to keep the market up. But the only problem is who's going to win? Is it going to start creating a lot of choppiness? All right, it all leaves to be seen right after that. Okay, so same thing. If you are investing, do be very careful because we have what we call something like a double whammy right now. We have the midst of the earnings season because the big guns have not yet come out and announced. So we have a lot of earnings that are still coming out. And the next front over here is, of course, the assumption that the market is going to be kept high until elections is over, but it also leaves it susceptible to any major sell-off. Okay, so it doesn't mean that we'll not have our, one day 60, 70, 80 point sell-off. We may, right? But it is now always leading to the assumption that tomorrow, the day after the sell-off, we will see a rebound. But, don't be surprised if there is going to be one time where, it doesn't actually happen. Yeah. Okay, now, so let me get the session officially started. I received a message. Okay, all right, now, so let's get going. Let's go. Now, so if you are joining us right now, thank you once again for joining me for episode 15. If you really could help us over here just to lift your finger a little bit on your Facebook where you're watching this video, could you just click the share button over here and share it out? Okay, because I will be adding a new stock today. So people can have a look at the trades that we are putting out, even amidst a very difficult market. We can't still find a trade right now that will eke out a 20% and above return on a per annum basis. So let me, before I officially commence the session, I realize what I'm going to do for every session over here in portfolio building for options cash flow. Now, one, this is going to be a sample public portfolio that we're building. Yes, it's going to be done with live money over here, right? But we are only going to do this with one simple strategy. Okay, and the strategy we're going to adopt in this public session over here over Facebook Live, it's going to be what we call the portfolio puts. Okay, so we're going to sell portfolio puts over here. Now, if you don't understand what it means, okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get the team, okay, to change the scroll. Okay, I believe they've done it. Okay, what you're going to see at the bottom is you can actually learn about, okay, you can actually learn about portfolio puts and how you can do this, or how the strategy entails, and how do we approach it, all the rules that are behind it, okay, at our website over here, www.impossibleinvestors.com, and then head over to Project Options Cashflow and opt yourself in. Okay, we will be sending you daily option strategies where you can find out more about options trading, right? And we are covering the topic of portfolio puts in this Friday Facebook Live segments. Okay, so we're selling portfolio puts. So let me lay down the rules. I am happy to pick up any of the stocks in these portfolios if selling these put options will meet into any problems upon expiry. Okay, now simply means if the stock price goes below the put option on expiry date, all right, I'm more than happy to pick up the stock. Okay, so upfront when I sell these options, I'm going to put up the full cash amount, okay, as my deposits. Okay, full cash amount for margins on the trades that we take during the sessions. Okay, now if you're joining us as an option seller, or if you're joining us from the IMP community, right, take the strategies that I'm talking about over here, do your own risk assessments because you have been taught, you have been trained, okay, adjust the strategies accordingly, adjust the strikes accordingly, all right, do what makes you feel comfortable, and if you're happy with the returns that you see as well, right, by all means, make your final decisions if you want to put it in your portfolio as well, yeah? Okay, all right, now that it's clear over here, let's get going, Okay, so first up, trade management action. Let's go. Let me share my screen. All right, everyone, you are seeing the portfolios that we have built so far. So since first, let me do this so it's clear. So we have July, right, and then we have, all right, August. Okay, and then we have September. All right, and we are now heading into October. Okay, join us next week as we head into November, everyone. Okay, all right, now let me. Okay, now, so the trade management action I'm going to take out today is going to wipe out my September trades I've done so far. Today, we're going to tackle MPC. Okay, now I'm first going to lay out why MPC. Okay, why am I deciding to close the trades over here? And then we'll go ahead and get it done. Okay, right now, so I'm going to move you over to my platform. Before we do that, let's check out our trades that we have done. So on the 18th of September, roughly about 1 month ago, okay, about 1 month ago, I've decided to sell a 20th November MPC portfolio put options for a 25 put option strike, and we collected 64 cents in premium, Okay, 64 cents in premium for this trade. Now, so what's the premiums today? Okay, what's the premiums like for today? Let me swap over to my broker's platform. Okay, so if all of you can see over here, we have the $25 put option. Okay, and what you can see right now is the last done price is 45 cents. Okay, let me try to whip this out bigger. Oh man, whenever we go live, the computer or this TD Ameritrade platform starts to lag. All right, now, so it's bigger right now. We have a bid ask of 45, 49, and the last done is 50. Somebody was eager to get it closed. I hope it's none of you over here right now. So I said I was going to get it closed, but I haven't mentioned the price in which I'm going to get it done. So let me go and close out this trade right now. So I'm going to close out this position over here on MPC. Okay, so we're going to buy it back. We did it for 3 contracts, so we're going to buy back 3 contracts over here. I'm going to get it done for 47. Okay, I'm not going to negotiate too hard. Okay, let me get the orders closed, and once I've got the orders closed, we will then after talk about why am I choosing to close this trade today. Okay, there's always a rationale for every action that I'm choosing to take. Okay, let me put it out over here. Let me get the order done. Okay, all right, now, so I am done over here. Let me have all of you over here to verify it. Give me a moment, everyone. Oh, all right. Okay. Switching around broker's platform screen, so pardon me. All right, now, so as all of you can see over here, right on the top over there at 9:13, about a minute ago, I've closed out the MPC November 25 put. I bought back 3 contracts over here at 47 cents debit. Okay, 47 cents debit. We've closed out the position officially. So let's get back to our Excel over here and see what we have done. Right now, so I'm going to update the trades over here. We closed it out at 47 cents. Okay, that leaves us with a profit, only a slight profit over here of $51. Okay, so that's going to be 47 cents. Today's date is the 23rd. Okay, so that's going to release the deposits on this trade. Okay, and $51 as my net profit. Okay, now that brings us to another profitable trade. All right, awesome. Okay, now, so let me get back to my broker's platform and highlight to all of you why I'm closing out this trade. Okay, I'm back here right now. Now, so if I were to bring out the charts over here, you can see obviously on my screen, all right, on my screen over here right now, we can see that over here we have earnings on the 2nd of November. Okay, so oil prices and oil stocks right now are very volatile, so I don't want to be playing with this position after a good run up over here, and more so with today. Okay, more so today where, you know, it was actually up 80 cents before I decided to close it. Came back off a little bit. Okay, so closing this trade right now, and we're good. Okay, we're good now. So this trade is fine right now, and we have created a profit. So I don't want to have it maybe tumbling down or coming close to earnings, because it's anybody's game. So I have a profit on the table, and I'm going to take it. Now, so what's the new stock? What's the new play for today? Okay, what's the new stock, new play for today? Seems like Shambu. You read my mind, Shambu. Shambu read my mind, everyone. Okay, so Shambu was looking at Intel. Oh my goodness, Intel released earnings today and it wasn't too bad. It was a profit, but disappointed. Okay, disappointed over here. Let's look at Intel. What's up for Intel? Intel released a profit of $1.11. Okay, slightly higher than the estimate at 110. Okay, but it was still disappointing because it seems like earnings revenue has dropped. Okay, but one thing you must know is that despite being dropped over here, how do we say this? In a non, very, very staunch fundamentalist way, it is still a profitable result. Yeah. Shambu. Shambu. All right, great. Jason, it is not my favorite stock. It is not my favorite stock. It just happens to present a lot of opportunity. In 15 weeks, this is going to be the third time. Right, it presents for itself. Now, so why am I doing so? Very simple, because of the gap down. Okay, we may, please let me give you the warning as well. We may end up catching the falling knife. Okay, we may end up catching the falling knife, but at the same time, we have the low from the last earnings at about 46.97. Okay, 46.97. So it leaves us with a little bit of buffer over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out the 46 strike, okay, which is below the last low over here, and, with a 1 month expiry. So I'm going to pick out a 20th of November, 1 month expiry, $46 put option. Okay, I'm going to look to sell it for about, I think 95, 96 is pretty good. Okay, 95, 96 is pretty good. Now, so let me prepare the orders over here. So I'm going to place a sell order for 3 contracts. Okay, I'm not going outsized, okay, because of the volatility in the market. I'm not going outsized. So, all right, now, so I'm going to place the orders and let's see if I can get it done. All right, so I've just got it done over here. Anybody want to guess? Anybody wants to guess what price did I get it done at? Let's get go. Anybody wants to give a guess? Okay, let me swap my screen so all of you can verify the trade once again. Josephine, very good job. Probably saw the last print over here. Okay, now, so just sharing the screen, all of you should be able to see it right now. I've sold the Intel November 46 put option. Okay, I've sold 3 contracts over here for 95 cents. Okay, 95 cents is filled. Okay, so 95 cents, a filled trade over here on Intel. Okay, so let's go back. Let's fill our spreadsheets over here. And all right, I'll be opening up for some Q&A. Okay. Now, so while I fill out the spreadsheets and do some calculations, okay, if any of you would like to post some questions, it's more than fine to do so, all right? Now, so we're going to go for trade number 17. Okay, so this is trade 17 over here, 3 option contracts on Intel, which is 300 shares. Okay, it's going for the 20th of November expiry for $46 put option. This is done on the 23rd of October. Okay, for 95 cents. Okay, now, so how much is the deposits? We're going to pocket $285 in cash flow upfront today. And that represents a $13,800 capital. Okay, $13,800 to be ready to pick up 300 to be ready to pick up 300 shares of Intel. Okay, if we need to. Okay, now, so let's calculate the ROI over here. So the ROI is going to be 95 cents divided by $46. Okay, this trade is going to bring about 2%. All right, awesome. It's going to bring about 2% over here, which simply means we can repeat this 12 times in a year because it's 1 month. All right, today's trade is going to bring us, $24.8%. All right, 24.8%. All right, we've got it, 24.8%. Okay, all right, now, so that's pretty much the details for today's trade over here. What's up with Let me see. Let me load it up first. I didn't know that. Let's have a look. Oh ho! $45. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, Josephine, thank you very much for bringing up to attention over here. Let's close it. All right, any plans to close PBCT? I didn't load it up, but now that Josephine mentioned, we will load it up over here and have a look. All right, everyone, we will take 2 management actions today, not 1. Right, PBCT has jumped up. Okay, yesterday it's announced its earnings and it made a jump up above $11. So we're going to take advantage of it and close out our portfolio puts. So we have the 20th of November, $11 put option, and it is now $40.45. So we're going to close it out today. All right, we're going to close it out today. Now, so I'm going to go ahead, place the orders to close it out. So give me a minute. Let me have a look. PBCT. Awesome buy. 3 positions. I'm not even going to negotiate. I've got a good profit right now, so I'm just going to take it. Okay, I'm going to take 45 cents. All right, give me a minute, everyone. Oh, man. Platform loves to play pranks on me. All right, all good. Okay, so let me swap out. Thank you very much, Josephine over here. Okay, now, so I've closed out the PBCT trade just a minute ago at 9:23 p.m. According to the platform's time. So I bought it back over here, the November 20th November 11 puts for 45 cents. Okay, so I've closed it out at 45 cents. All right, close it, close it. Okay, Josephine, you got a better price than me. You got 44. Congratulations. So let's put it out. Let's mark it down. So we took 2 profits tonight. Okay, we took 2 profits tonight and established a new trade. So 45 cents. Okay, so that's a net $300. And no, it's not net $300. Let's do this right. Okay, 165. Okay, so we netted 165 over here. Okay, this is correct. Okay, so am I right? Yes. 45 cents, 23rd October. Releases the capital because the position is close. Net profit of 165. Okay. Okay, now, so let's check our total cash flow we've generated since we started this portfolio. We have generated, this is going to be our first, second, third, fourth, all right? Just nice, we're at the end of 4 months over here, and we've generated $4,800 in cash flow. $4,800 in cash flow, yeah? All right, now, so we have locked out pretty good profits, actually. Let's have a look, everyone. All right, we have taken out, this is episode 15. We have taken out 17 trades so far, all right, live each and every week. And we have closed out, we have how many open positions now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 open positions. That means we have closed out 11 trades so far, all right, 11 profitable trades so far, all right, none of the stocks assigned, okay, and we're still going strong. Okay, hopefully we'll continue to do this. Okay, but remember, if you're selling, okay, do not ever assume that nothing is going to happen. All right, assume that always, you know, we may end up having to buy these shares if you're following the exact suggestions over here. Do your own risk management, please. Okay, but Josephine, thank you very much. Okay, and congratulations. All right, good to know you made profits over here. All right, this it's just we're trying to show that it can be done to everyone over here. Building a portfolio, trying to pick shares out is not a difficult task. Okay, and trying to pick out trades that will return a 20% per annum on an annualized basis. All right, it is always possible and doable. Okay, now, so anyone with questions? Okay, anyone with questions over here? If you have just joined us, if you have not helped us click the share button, by all means, please help us click the little share button over there and help us share it out, everyone. Thank you very much. Anyone with questions that I can help, that I can address? I'll leave it for a couple of minutes, okay, to make sure that if we see anyone, all right. Okay, just in the meantime over here, if any of you are wondering, hey, Terence, is there going to be a stock nitpicking this weekend over here with Jeremy? I have to tap Jeremy's calendar. All right, he's been busy. I haven't been able to get reach of him all week since Monday. All right, Monday he took the entire community for live trading. All right, his trade, I believe, let's have a look. His trade over here, I believe, is sitting really, really well. Yes, it is. All right, it's sitting really, really well. So a good trade, Jeremy, and he's been busy. He did it amidst his busy schedule over here. So if I can lock him down, all right, we will continue to do stock nitpicking. But unfortunately, if it's busy, all right, then we may have to see what's up. Okay, if any of you want to push him for a session, all right, leave post over here in our public Facebook group. All right, continue to leave posts, or if anybody wants to take an initiative, all right, create a poll. Right, create a poll for this week, all right, and leave a stock that you might be interested in, okay, to have him cover over here, okay, because I leave this segment on the weekends to him, all right, so he makes the call, right, he decides which stock over here, he approves the stock, all right, and I come in with my technical analysis feedback over here on the selection, yeah, right now, so it does seem that none of you have any comments or any questions on the portfolio that we have built so far. So all good. So if nobody has any questions right here, right now, we are going to, let me just do one last check over here. One last check. 3. No, yeah, nothing. Okay, now, so that will be all for today's session for portfolio building for options cash flow with Terence. All right, we ended the session over here with 2 profitable trades that we have officially closed. All right, and we re-established 1 new trade over here on Intel. Okay, on Intel. Guys, let me do this. Give me a minute over here. Give me a minute. I may want to squeeze one more. Made my job difficult. Okay, give me 2 minutes over here. If I can find it, I'll push it. Let me see if I like it. Okay, I like it. I'm going to add another trade in today. Okay, I'm going to add another trade in today. Give me a minute. Let me get it all primed up. I've closed 2. I'm going to replace 2. Close 2, replace 2. Who wants to see it? Leave a comment. Let me know you're still here. All right, I want to see the other stock. Give me a minute. It's not biting. It's not biting. It's not biting. My computer is lagging. Oh my God. Okay. Yes, I got it done. Okay, all right, now, so let me see who wants to see it. All right, Alan wants to see it, Jason wants to see it, Terence wants to see it. All right, YC2. Okay, but that means, we have almost 90 of you over here and only 4 wants to see it. Let's take these 4 into the private session. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, so the other stock that I'm adding onto the portfolio over here is going to be Verizon. Okay, I'm going to add Verizon Wireless into the portfolio. So Verizon recently announced its earnings. It has been severely oversold for a while now. Right? I think it's deeply oversold. And the day after earnings, it bounced back. Okay, I do assume that, or do have the presumption that it's going to continue bouncing from here. So I'm going to take the recent low over here and pick a position. All right, so I'm going to pick a position over here, and I'm going to pick out the 57 put option. Okay, I'm going to pick out the 57 put option over here, and I'm going to do it anywhere from 89 to 90. Okay, 89 to 90. Okay, I've already gotten the trade filled, so let me share it with all of you, and then we'll record it, and then end the session officially for tonight. Okay, time for recording over here. So trade number 18, let's go. Remember, these are all portfolio puts, which means I'm more than ready to take up the stock if anything goes wrong with it. Okay, VZ, Verizon Wireless, same expiry. It's going to be for 57, 23rd, and then I did it for 89 cents. Okay, 89 cents. Have I let all of you verified it yet? If I haven't done so, let me show all of you. Right now, it's over here. It's filled over here for Verizon Wireless, 20th of November, 57 puts. Sold 3 contracts over here for 89 cents. Okay, so 3 contracts for 89 cents. So let's have it recorded. Okay, now, so this 89 cents is going to bring a cash flow of 267. So for today, we have locked down an extra 500, slightly over $500, okay, in cash flow. Okay, the deposit requirements or margins for this trade on Verizon is going to be 17,100. Okay, so right now, out of the $100,000 portfolio, I'm utilizing round about $66,000, $66,000. So I'm round about 66% exposure right now, 66% exposure. I'm still decently comfortable, okay, decently comfortable. Okay, because remember, some of these over here are done on hedges, which is the fixed put options that we still have on the portfolio. Okay, now, so I'm going to do this. Oops, nope, that's wrong. Equals to, oh man, I do it. Okay, equals to 89 cents divided by 57, right? That's 1.56. Okay, 1.56 times 12. That's 18.7%. 18.7%, decent, right? Not as good as Intel, but decent. Okay, a decent trade over here with a decent return. All right, now, so we added 2 trades over here. One on Intel, a portfolio puts for $46 strikes, expiry 20th of November. And then the second trade on Verizon Wireless, okay, 20th November, $57 put option, okay, for 89 cents over here. All right, now, so we are all good. We are all done over here. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, great. Now, so if all of you enjoyed the session over here, remember, all right, remember, do help me share it out, or, subsequently as well, do click on the like buttons. So I do know that these sessions are something that you really want to continue to see me do it on a week-to-week basis, okay, and have it done for all of you. Yeah, all right, now, so that's what I have for today, and it seems like a very quiet night where nobody has any questions for me. All right, now, Thank you very much for being with me once again live, everyone, on a Friday night. I'm going to hand your Friday night back into your control over here. And hopefully I'll be seeing all of you over the weekend for Stop Nitpicking with IMP together with Jeremy over here. And subsequently next week. Those of you who are in our community over here, remember Monday night live trading, everyone. Monday night live trading. All right, it's going to happen weekly over here in our IMP community. All right, so have a lovely night and a great weekend, everyone. I'll see you and bye-bye. This is Terence Tan signing off over here. All right, thank you very much. Good night. Bye-bye. Welcome, Bim. All right, it's been a long time. Hope things has been good. Okay, Terence, welcome. Richard. All right, all good. Josephine, thank you very much for sharing that you benefited from these sessions over here. All right, Jason, great. All right, Wyman, bye-bye.